bacon. They say it makes everything better. I kind of agree because I love bacon. But Mom continues to be celebrated throughout the month of May. We're celebrating 2 moms today on the show. You met one, you have another one to meet a little later on. But I'm taking time to do a little Knorr garlicky butter and bacon ramen. How does that sound? My goodness. Starting with bacon, and let me tell you what I'm going to do. So I have some bacon fat rendered here from the bacon, and I'm going to add just a bit of butter to it. Just a little bit of butter. I'm going to add straight into this bacon fat. So think garlic butter. Garlic butter will be the kind of base for this ramen dish. It's a real simple ramen dish. As I said, I've been kind of using the Knorr ramen, but taking it to another level kind of thing altogether. So I have some bacon fat and butter. And I just love mushrooms, so I'm adding mushrooms to it. So I'm just going to add some sliced mushrooms. This is optional. You don't have to add the mushrooms. But I like a little nice mushroomy flavor. I think it would go well with the bacon. So allow that just about a minute or so to do its thing. While that's doing its thing, I'm going to bring my garlic. So as I said, garlic butter is the base and flavor. It's going to be a garlicky butter ramen dish. I want I would say about 3 to 5 cloves of garlic in my garlic press. You can finely chop as well, but in my garlic press. You know I love my garlic press. And I'm getting my garlic straight in there. Three to 5 cloves. If you want it really garlicky, you can do 6. Not everybody loves intense garlic, but I do. So you gotta time this because you don't want the garlic to burn in your butter and all this lovely bacon fat. So just about now as you start smelling the garlic, so my garlic is just about ready now. What I want to do is to add a little bit of water. But to flavor this water, I am using the packets from the ramen straight in here to kind of create a little broth. So I'm going to use 2 of the packets. It comes in the Knorr ramen, and I'm going to add it in there. Kind of just mix it together. Create a nice little ramen flavor broth. Ramen flavored broth goes in there. And I want now to add my Knorr ramen. I'm using beef flavored today, guys. Kind of just crack that up in there. I want to use 2 packs. So I use just about 1.5 cups of water. Just allow the water to absorb and evaporate. Then add back the bacon and toss to combine. I want to add some tomatoes, top with chives, and serve. My buttery garlic and bacon ramen.